In this video, we will see what are string function and how to use string function in Tableau and how does it work. So uh, there are a lot of functions that Tableau has, and each function has a different category. So if we create one calculation field, and after creating the calculation field, we can see here there are a number of functions that we can use in the Tableau, but each function has a different functionality, and the also the function has been categorized in a particular sets. So, and the string function are one of them. So there are a number of function categories. If I click on this drop down, so as you can see here, there are a lot of functions category that if there are number function, string function, date function, type conversion. So if I click on the string function, so you can see here after clicking on string, we have some function that comes under the string functions. So there are a lot of string functions. We can see here there is ascii, char, contains, ends with, find. So and each of the function have different functionality and the way they works. So if I click on the ascii, so we can see here the ASCII value return the ASCII code of the first character of a string. So it will return the ASCII code. And if I click on char, so char function also return the so it will return a character according to the input we use. So input, it will take the input as a ASCII code and uh, return the character according to the ASCII code we used inside the function. So also there are a lot of function, but the thing is, uh, this function only returns string. They don't return any, any kind of number, integer. So if I click on contains, so we can see here, contain returns the boolean values which are true or false. And if I click on ends with, so we can see here, it also returns the boolean function like true and false. So this function doesn't return a number and any kind of integer values. So these are the string function we can use, and also we will use each and every function and how does the this particular function works in Tableau in the future. So thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.